Hello everyone, it's nice to have you here again. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this authentic okra soup. I know we have different ways and methods in which we prepare our okra soup, but the taste is always what shows the difference in our preparations. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my special recipe. It always turns out very nice and it is finger licking. If you like to find out how I made this, make sure you watch this video to the end. If you like to spice up your cooking with amazing recipes, just take a moment and subscribe to this channel below because I have lots of recipes you will find very interesting. To prepare this, here are some of the ingredients we'll be using: mackerel fish, smoked panla fish, goat meat, yellow and red pepper. The mixture is always good. Onion ball, crayfish, palm oil, and the okra. I will share the remaining few ingredients as we cook along. My okra, I always share it into two. Half of it I'm going to smoothly blend it, while the remaining half will be roughly chopped. Once we are done, I will put it inside a plate and set aside. See how it looks like. The remaining half, I'll also proceed to roughly chop it now. Just some few pulses and we are good to go. I will also put this in a separate plate and set it aside. For the preparation proper, I'll be putting in the goat meat inside my cooking pot. I'll be adding 1 seasoning cube. I use crayfish seasoning cube. And this is the mixture of the both peppers and onions chopped. I will add salt. I'll be mixing this all together and I'll cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook in its own juice. This process is very necessary. It makes the meat tastier. The liquid produced is almost drying out. I wouldn't like this to burn, so I'm going to be adding in more water to cook the meat all the way through. I will add in the mackerel fish for it to cook. I know someone is already saying in her mind, what is she doing? How will she add mackerel fish at this point? It is going to scatter. Don't worry, I've got this all under control. The mackerel fish is well cooked. I'll be taking this off fire so that they won't scatter. What is your favorite part of the fish? Is it the tail, the middle, or the head? For me, I love the fish head. I don't know, I can forfeit every other part and I'll just go for the fish head. See me gently bringing it out from the pot. This is specially for me. And for no reason, my family thinks that I'm weird, that of all the different parts of a fish, it's only the head that I opt for. Please let me know in the comment section that I'm not alone on this. So I'll add stockfish. I didn't show it at the beginning of the video and I prefer to use the head for soups because they are more flavorful than any other parts of the stockfish. And I've also added in my smoked panla fish. I'm adding it earlier than usual because I didn't know whether they wanted to turn the smoked panla fish to meat. So it's quite strong. So I'm cooking it together with the stockfish so that it can get soft a little bit. This has been boiling for about 3 minutes now, and the aroma coming from this is so nice. I'll be adding in my palm oil. I will give it a little stir. I'll cover the pot and allow the palm oil to mix thoroughly with this stock. This is well mixed now. As you can see, the colors has all aligned together. I'll be pouring in first the well blended okra. The okra is always stubborn to dissolve inside the stock at this stage, so I'm just going to cover the pot and I'll allow the heat to do the work. The blended okra has dissolved so well in this stock. I'll be giving it a very good mix. See, with this method, your okra will draw more than your ogbono soup. I'll add the remaining half of the roughly chopped okra and I'll be stirring this all together. At this point, I'll reduce the heat so that the okra does not overcook, and I'll add the rest of the ingredients. I've already added in my Uziza leaves. It is always good in your okra. I've added in also my blended crayfish, and I'll add it in Ugba and an extra seasoning cube. I used one to season the meat and this one for the soup proper. I'll be mixing this thoroughly. We haven't forgotten our cooked mackerel. I'll be pouring it back into the pot and I'll cover this and I'll allow this to heat. Just take a look at this. Don't you like what you are seeing? The okra soup is perfectly cooked now. I will give it one last stir and I'll turn off the heat. Sometimes I wish that you guys can actually perceive the aroma from your phone or even have a taste of it while looking at this. But one good thing about it is that you can even recreate it in your home. And trust me, the difference is in the taste. And don't forget to tag me on my social media handle when you recreate this. I would love to see all those beautiful reviews. Thank you once again for watching this video to this point. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below and share my recipe. And I would like to see you in my next video. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.